but you gave it all away when I needed you to stay. So I know I'll never forget the way I always felt with you beside me, and how you loved me then. Yeah, I'll never be the same. I'm caught inside the memories, the promises, our yesterdays, and I belong to you, 'cause you've got that one thing. So get out, get out, get out of my head and fall into my arms instead. I don't know what it is. This is the same as where I just came from. I thought it was over. Oh, that's just great. The whole damn world is just as obsessed with who's the best dressed and who's having sex, who's got the money, who gets the honeys, who's kinda cute and who's just a mess, and you still don't have the right look.
Are you brave enough to let me see a peacock? What you waiting for? It's time for you to show it off. Don't be a shy kind of guy, I bet it's beautiful. Come on baby, let me see what you hiding underneath.
I wanna live my life, wanna give you everything. First I know I ain't get the light somehow. Right now, right now.
Baby, I got time to rock my world. You're dangerous, just get it up. The way you move, so scandalous. It's all about the two of us. A one night stand just ain't enough. I need some stimulation, baby. A little conversation, maybe. You got me spinning round like crazy.
I am here still waiting, though I still have my doubts. I am damaged at best, like you've already figured out. I'm falling apart, I'm barely breathing.
We can't surrender, then we both gonna lose what we have. Oh no, both hands tied behind my back for nothing. Oh no, these times when we climb so fast to fall again. I don't wanna fall for it now.
Say it now, find a way to say it now. Don't be afraid to say it now. Everything we're keeping inside. Don't wait, just let your heart speak. Say it now, find a way to say it now. Don't be afraid to say it